Today I'm out in my garden. I'm pulling up the last of the late harvest. There were some tomatoes, a couple peppers, one cucumber, and I think I have some cabbage and a little Swiss chard left over here. Today's November 1st, and as I was snipping and pulling and clearing things out, I realized just how ancestral this way of eating really feels to me now. Now, I planted in late June and I was able to enjoy what I grew in August, late August, and September, but not as the center of my plate, more as a condiment. A slice of tomato on a burger, a few pieces of jalapeno on my eggs, a little cucumber with salt. But most of the time, I was fully carnivore. That might surprise people. How can you grow all these vegetables and still mostly eat meat? Well, I'm carnivore, my husband's keto, my son eats whatever. But because this, to me, because this right here is primal eating. Our ancestors ate meat as the foundation. It's what kept them alive. And when the season was right, when the land offered something like berries or roots, vegetables, they use those as accents, flavors, occasional gifts, not the base of a diet. So, for example, this morning I had 3 scrambled eggs in a 2 egg white, inside of 2 egg white wraps, the little cheese, some sour cream on top, and a couple of jalapeno slices, and 1 sliver of avocado for potassium. That's technically keto, probably ketovore, because I probably won't have any carbs the rest of the day. It's not strict carnivore, but it was delicious. It added texture, flavor, color, and more importantly, joy. And joy is a very primal thing. I don't think our ancestors said, is this carnivore? Is this keto? Is this approved? They asked, does it nourish me? Does it make me stronger? Can I thrive on this? And that's really the mindset I want to leave you with today. It's not about doing this perfectly. It's about doing this naturally and what makes you feel good. While some people can't do vegetables, that's okay. It's about understanding, though, that meat is the foundation of human nutrition, and that has been for thousands of years. And the plants, when used seasonally, wisely, and sparingly, can be condiments, not compromise. Eating this way doesn't make me feel restricted. It makes me feel connected to the land, to my food, to my ancestors, to my training, and to myself. So as I clean out my garden and say goodbye to the season, think about this. You don't have to choose between strict and sustainable. You don't have to choose between discipline and delight. You just have to return to the way humans were built to eat. Nourish like your ancestors. Season with what nature gives you. And build a life and a body you don't want to escape from. Now, if you're new and you're thinking about trying keto, I'll link my keto ebook, Keto Made Simple, in the description. And if you're struggling dialing in, you've tried keto and stepped away, or carnivore stepped away, and you want to give it another try with some coaching, I'll leave my email where you can contact me in the description as well. This is Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor, and I'll see you in the next Daily Spoonful.